An alarming new study is showing just how many people in the U.S. are losing their lives to excessive drinking. There are deaths that experts say can be prevented. So tonight, our Olivia Poirier taking a closer look at this study to find out what you can do to protect your family.
A glass of wine, a beer, or a cocktail may seem so normal you don't even think about pouring another. But how many is too many?
People are consuming alcohol at levels that are really detrimental to their overall mental and physical health. And a lot of times I think that we think alcohol, because it's legal or because it's socially acceptable, is less risky or less dangerous to our body, but it's really not. It's a very harmful substance.
A study published by JAMA Network Open says in the U.S., 1 in 5 deaths of people ages 20 to 49 were attributed to excessive alcohol use. For people ages 20 to 64, drinking-related deaths accounted for 1 in 8.
This is especially important because during COVID, the estimates are alcohol use disorders went up like 24%. At least the rate of binge drinking went up about 24%. So this isn't something that's going away.
Yeah, the study was done from 2015 to 2019. So if you had to factor in the pandemic and post-pandemic years, what do you think the results would look like?
Oh, I think actually these numbers will likely be seen as conservative.
Experts say the COVID-19 pandemic definitely made those figures increase, while the number of people seeking treatment has gone down.
In general, post-COVID, rates of people coming in for both outpatient substance abuse treatment as well as psychiatric mental health treatment in general has gone down significantly, down about 24% at ECMC.
So with all those factors combined, what do you do to try to resolve it?
So these are things where people really need to be able to assess, do I have an issue and is it something I should get treated for? And how do you know that? Particularly when you start having specific problems with childcare, with relationships, with work, with health, when you start missing things or skipping things because of alcohol use.
Experts say the best way to handle alcohol abuse is to act immediately.
We know if we intervene early with someone with a substance use disorder, their outcomes improve.
You can find links to resources by clicking on this story on WKBW.com. Olivia Poirier, 7 News.